According to Deforestation Facts, a government website, forests used to cover about 15% of the Earth's surface. Today, forests only cover about 6%. At this rate, forests will be consumed by the year 2050. With forests destroyed, humans will lose a major source of oxygen, making it nearly impossible for humans to survive. Having an interest in this topic, I've done extensive research on the topic. Loggers and farmers should decrease the rate of deforestation because deforestation leads to an increased amount of deserts, leads to less biodiversity in an ecosystem, and is one of the leading causes in global warming. One of my main arguments against deforestation is that it leads to an increased area of deserts. Tropical rainforests are a key element in the protection and storage of water. According to author Persuasive, a researcher from Chicago, plants take part in a process called transpiration. In transpiration, plants' roots take in water from the ground, and the water is then sent to the stem. Once in the stem, the plant sends the water to the leaves. The water evaporates through the leaves into the air. This increases the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure affects the climate of a region greatly, so clearing of rainforests can reduce the amount of humidity and rainfall in the area. As deforestation continues, the total amount of rainforest will decrease until each and every rainforest becomes a desert. With the increased amount of deforestation, deserts are growing at an alarming rate. Rainforests need to be protected because they play a vital role in the protection and storage of water. Another main argument against deforestation is that it leads to a less biodiverse ecosystem. The tremendous impact of deforestation has a great effect on each and every plant and animal worldwide. As the size of forests are decreasing, the habitat for animals is becoming smaller. With the habitat shrinking, the fight for food also increases. With less food, animals start to die and become endangered. Even at some cases, animals and plants become extinct. With plants and animals becoming extinct, we are losing many undiscovered plants and animals that contain priceless new medicines. According to Evan Siobhan, founder and director of the Center for Health and the Director of Health and Global Environment at Harvard Medical School, 57% of 150 frequently prescribed drugs in the United States come from either plants or animals. With the increased rate of deforestation, we are losing vital ingredients that could potentially save lives. The last argument against deforestation is that deforestation is one of the leading causes of global warming. Global warming is the increase in the Earth's atmospheric pressure that causes corresponding changes in the climate that may result from greenhouse gases. Deforestation contributes to an increased number of greenhouse gases. According to Persuasive, elevated levels of CO2 are responsible for climate change. With the booming population and destruction of forests, people are running out of clean air to breathe. When forests are completely destroyed, the entire plant and animal kingdom will have to adapt to survive in a habitat that may not be suitable for them. For these instances, it is these reasons and many more, loggers and farmers should decrease the rate of deforestation because deforestation leads to an increased area of deserts, a less biodiverse ecosystem, and is one of the leading causes of global warming. Tropical rainforests are especially important because they play a vital role in the storage of water. Also, the tremendous impact of deforestation has a long-reaching effect on plants and animals worldwide. Deforestation contributes to an increased number of greenhouse gases. We as humans have a responsibility to protect our world, and once we lose it, we will not get it back. When forests are gone, we will not be able to survive. People should stop deforestation before it's too late.